Good morning, students. Today we will discuss reversible and irreversible changes in course to discussion of changes. What are the changes? Any change in any alteration in position, condition of a substance, of a material, of an object is known as change. And we have discussed the various aspects of the change, like the change in shape, change in size, change in color, right? Now look, just imagine you are stretching a rubber. What happens when you leave it? As you left it, the rubber come in its position, actual position. Spring, stress the spring, and as you just leave it, it contract, expand, contract, right? It come in its position as we remove the external force, or the force is the cause of change. The force is the cause of change. Suppose you are living in polar countries, Russia, Siberia, which having temperature minus 19 degree, minus 30 degree, normal temperature for that place. Then as they put the water outside, water get freezed. When I was visited to Shimla, he told me that during winter season it is too cold that, sir, this is the पकोड़ा घोल. इसको जब घोल को जो है अब गर्म पानी डाल के इसको ऐसे रखते हैं, अदरवाइज पकोड़े का घोल ही जम जाता है. पकोड़े खा रहे थे तो पकोड़ा ऐसे जम जाता है घोल पूरा. दिस इज टू मच कोल्ड. तो हम लोग जो है, तो क्या हुआ बच्चों, if the melting of ice by heating, it again convert into ice, melt हुआ, water बन गया, it again freeze if you put into the freezer or in the cold countries. So these are the changes that can be reversed. We heat it, it melt. We put it as well, then it will convert again ice. Rubber, it put into in its actual position. So the changes, a change that can be reversed on removing or changing the cause of change. Removing, हटा दिया आपने, और by removing or changing the cause of change. By removing or changing the cause of change, the changes can be reversed again. So such kind of changes are called as reversible change, and as we know that these are temporary changes. Actually, look over here, folding and unfolding of the paper, tearing of paper. Which kind of tearing of paper? पेपर को पूरा फाट जाए तो फिजिकल चेंज हो गया. But folding and unfolding of the paper is the reversible change. Right? So these are a number of the examples, like the inflation of tire, हवा सारी निकल गई. You can fill the air, right? Melting of butter, again in cold season, butter again becomes solid. So these are the changes, temporary changes. Actually, all the reversible changes are basically physical changes. All the reversible changes are, in common way we can say, these are temporary change and physical changes. Now imagine you can perform an activity at your home also. You burn ignite a candle. Ignite a candle. अब यहाँ पर कैंडल में थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेशन होता है बच्चों. Some of the wax get melted. Some of the wax get melted. Liquid नीचे टपक जाएगा. Now after some time it becomes solid. Melting of the wax is reversible change. Melting of wax is reversible change. Number 1. Now look over here. During burning, some of the, if we can we get all entire wax? No. Some of the wax is lost. So the burning of wax, burning of candle, causing some wax get evaporated and lost. So this is burning of candle is the, which kind of change is? Burning of candle, burning of paper, burning of wood, cutting a tree, growth of a plant, tearing of paper. These are known as irreversible changes. These are called as reversible changes. They can't be reversed again. If we change the cause of change, अगर पेपर फाड़ दिया तो फट गया वो, it can't be reversed again. जल गया तो जल गया पेपर. Now it can't be reversed again. So such kind of the changes that cannot be reversed again are known as irreversible changes. Example: burning of wood, growth of a plant, or growth of our body, bursting of cracker, cutting of a tree, tearing of the paper. These are burning of candle. Now look over here. Just look. The dough. मम्मा ने आटा लगा लिया. Now dough, she want to make this kind of the bowl and roll it. मम्मा को लगा रोटी अच्छी नहीं बनी, वापस इसको ऐसा कर लिया. Which kind of change is this? Reversible change. It can be reversed. But at once she roll on the roller. Now look over here. She, after rolling, she bake it. एक बार चपाती को सेक दिया. Now it can be reversed? No. Baking of chapati is irreversible change. Because so irreversible change is basically chemical change. Irreversible change is basically chemical change. So a change that cannot be reversed on removing or changing the cause of change are known as irreversible changes. Got it?